How to be a successful entrepreneur. This is real truth that nobody tells you about. All right. I will break it down to you for you to understand if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. All right. They say everyone wants to be successful, but have you ever noticed how few people truly make it? This is not just because success is hard. It is because most people stop too earlier. Let me tell you a story which you will learn from, all right, and how to be successful if you want to be an entrepreneur. Life is not so difficult, but the way we handle life make it very hard for us, all right. There was a young man named David. He had no rich parents, no fancy connection, just a dream and a fire in his heart just to make it in life. Every night, he had imagined building something that would have changed his life. But everyone around him said, be realistic. One day, David said to himself, I rather fail chasing my dream than succeed living someone's life. Alright? That is where entrepreneurship began. Not with money, but with mindset. Alright, success does not start in your bank account. It starts with the day you decide to believe in yourself. As I'm making these points, carry your pen and paper and be jotting it down. Alright, it will help you go a long way. Number 2, the power of solving problems. The power of solving problems. Every business in the world began with one problem or the other. Alright. When David started his small business, he was not selling products, he was solving people frustration. Uber solved transportation stress. WhatsApp solved long distance communication. David solved the problem of people who could not afford expensive meal by selling affordable food near his area. Within a month, he was not just making money, he was making impact. That is the secret. Don't chase money, chase problem to solve. Number 3, fail fast, learn faster. Fail fast and learn faster. The road was not easy. David lost customer, money, and sometimes confidence. He cried at night, wondering if he was good enough, but he did not stop. Because every failure taught him something new. Failure does not mean you are losing, it means you are learning. The truth is, every successful entrepreneur you admire has failed more than times you have ever tried. I don't want this video to be too long, alright? Then number 4, keep learning and growing. While others complain, David studied. He watched business videos, read books, listen to mentors. He learned about branding, customer service, and marketing. And guess what? Within a year, his business was not small anymore. It was growing fast. He learned something powerful. The more you learn, the more you earn. Number 5, start small, but start right now as you're watching this video in your mind. Most people want to start big office, big capital, big everything. But David started with a table, a chair, and a vision. Don't wait for perfect moment. Create it now, because your small beginning could be the seed of something massive. Remember, Amazon started in a garage. Apple started in a bedroom. You can start right now where you are with what you have. Number 6, the power of people. David soon realized something: you can't win alone. He found friends who believe in him, mentor who guide him, and customer who supported him. Entrepreneurship is not a slow game, but build your network, grow your community, and give value to people, because relationship opens door and money cannot open. Before we conclude, the last, number 7, master your money. As David business grew, he did not buy expensive clothes or flashy car. He reinvested every money which he made from the business back inside the business. That is his dream. Why? Because real entrepreneurship don't spend to impress, but they spend to progress. If you can manage 10,000 wisely, you can also manage 10 million wisely. Now, David trained young people on how to start small business and believe in themselves, because the highest level of success is not how much you make, it is how much you inspire others. Real entrepreneurship don't just create wealth, they create impact. So if you have a dream, protect it. If people doubt you, let that fuel you. Alright? You were not born to live a normal life. You were born to build, to create, to succeed. Your story might be the next, alright, I will talk about. My name is Martino Ezugo. This is the Success Formula.